My video is about removing malicious pop-ups related to the website dwnldhere.com. It's a deceptive site that promotes installation of unwanted browser extensions that may operate as adware. So, speaking about this site, you need to treat it with extreme caution and to stay away from downloading anything that this site promotes. What you should do is immediately leave this deceptive page, and if any unwanted extensions were installed to your Chrome, make sure you get rid of these third-party extensions. Access the menu, go to extensions, click on manage extensions, and then if you find anything suspicious, get rid of it. Also, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to detect and remove other threats which could possibly still remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.